Okay, we're going to go through a tutorial on how to use the measuring guide that's on my website on the design page. So as it says here, it's a step-by-step instructions. There's about 8 steps. So number 1 is wall measurements. Begin in any corner of the room with tape measure at waist height and measure to an adjacent wall. Always measure in inches only, not feet and inches. Record your first measurement and continue around the room measuring all walls where cabinetry will be installed. Once completed, draw the floor plan and add your measurements like the example below. So this would be the floor plan, and typically it's done in clockwise. So you'd measure the length of this wall to here, and so forth to here, and then to here. And then next you would measure windows and doors. Now measure all doors, windows, and wall openings. Any trim around doors, windows, or openings is considered part of the opening and should be included in your measurement. Record your measurements in inches on the charts provided below for reference. Then once you have those windows and doors or any sort of openings measured, then you would go to adding the doors and windows to the drawing. So here would be a window. This would be a 40-inch window here. Here's another opening, door number 2, door number 1. Then number 4 is ceiling and soffit info. Do you have a straight ceiling, vaulted ceiling? Do you have a soffit? What is the height from the floor to the ceiling? It's very important. Is there a soffit? Will it remain? This is an area between the top of the wall cabinet and the ceiling. Will it remain? What type of floor? Tile, vinyl, wood? Will you keep your current floor? Create elevation drawings. Now draw an elevation of each wall and locate all openings. Be sure to include the ceiling height and show soffits if you have them or plan on adding them. For easy identification, use the symbols shown below to locate water lines, drain lines, electrical outlets, switches, etc. Enter the centerline location dimensions for any applicable utility services, and finally identify any wall areas that are not to receive cabinetry or any obstructions that may complicate design. So these are the same walls but an elevation view with the symbols. Then we have sink and appliance specifications. Now provide the sink and appliance dimension if known. Provide as much detail as possible, including the model numbers if available. So you have a sink, or you can have a single, double, triple, brand, model, width, depth, height. Range, freestanding, built-in, cooktop, drop-in, wall oven, single, double oven, combo. Range hood, vented, recirculating. Microwave, is it built-in, freestanding, above the range? Dishwasher, built-in, portable. Refrigerator, top freezer, bottom freezer, side-by-side, French door. Freezer, upright, chest. Trash compactor, built-in, freestanding. Wine chiller, built-in, freestanding. Again, here's the model numbers, brand, width, depth, height. Feature wish list. Below you will find most commonly asked for features, upgrade options, or design elements. Please X all items that are of interest to you, and we will make every effort to incorporate them into your design. So you have soft close drawers, roll out trays, Lazy Susan corner, drawer organizer, microwave shelf, shelf dividers, soft close doors, single wastebasket, double wastebasket, so on and so forth. Number 8, that completes the measuring requirements. Please scan the following pages and provide them to your designer along with the detailed photos of your current room layout. Pages 1, 2, and 4 of your completed measuring guide. Detailed floor plan and elevation sketches of your space. Suggested cabinet layout if you have one drawn up. Please email that to our email admin@thertashop.com. Thank you for watching.